Leukodema is a common, benign condition of the oral mucosa that appears as a diffuse, grayish-white opalescent area, most often on the buccal mucosa. It is not a disease but rather a variation of normal mucosal appearance, and diagnosis is clinical. Let's look at a case scenario. Suman, a 35-year-old office worker, visited her dentist after noticing a persistent whitish discoloration inside her cheeks. She feared it might be leukoplakia or even cancer. On examination, the dentist observed bilateral, diffuse, gray-white, milky opalescent patches on the buccal mucosa. Interestingly, when the mucosa was stretched, the whitish appearance diminished. The dentist reassured Suman that this was leukodema, a harmless condition often seen in adults, especially in those with darker skin tones or tobacco habits. No biopsy was needed, and Suman was relieved to learn that her condition was benign and required no treatment, only reassurance and monitoring. More about leukodema. Definition. Leukodema, a diffuse, gray-white opalescent appearance of the oral mucosa, most commonly the buccal mucosa. Considered a benign variation of normal mucosa, not a premalignant lesion. Clinical features. Appearance, diffuse, grayish-white, milky opalescent mucosa. Location, bilateral buccal mucosa, occasionally labial mucosa, palate, or floor of mouth. Stretch test, lesion diminishes or disappears when mucosa is stretched, an important diagnostic clue. Symptoms, asymptomatic, patients usually notice discoloration incidentally. Epidemiology, more common in individuals with darker skin and in tobacco users. Etiology and pathogenesis. Caused by swelling inside surface mucosal cells. Cells show vacuoles, right pointing arrow, balloon-like degeneration. Reduced cell energy may play a role. Multifactorial origin, tobacco makes it worse but doesn't cause it. Epidemiology. Axel, in 20,333 people, approximately 49% had leukodema. More common in men and tobacco users. Winwick, in 1,996 students, smoking didn't cause leukodema but aggravated it. Histopathology and ultrastructure. Thickened epithelium with paraceratinization and long rete pegs. Cells in spinous layer swollen, vacuolated, with small nuclei. Ultrastructure, vacuolated cytoplasm, compact layers, balloon-like superficial cells. Can resemble white sponge nevus under the microscope. Diagnosis. Clinical examination, characteristic appearance and stretch test are diagnostic. No biopsy required unless atypical features are present. Differential diagnosis must be distinguished from leukoplakia, lichen planus, candidiasis, and other white lesions. Management. No treatment required. Reassurance is the main management step. Address habits like tobacco use if present, since they may exacerbate mucosal changes.